welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi Adriana if you're new, and in today's video we are going to be getting into some glasses that I received. I just want to take a second to thank ZQJ Eyewear for sponsoring today's video. They were amazingly nice and sent me over a few pair of glasses to test out for you guys. Being that I am now YouTubing full-time and working at home full-time, I strain my eyes a lot. Fun fact, actually, I went and got my eyes tested like 1 to 2 months ago, and the eye doctor actually told me that my eyesight is a little weak right now due to all the excess stress. So this is perfect timing to try out these sunglasses. They are blue light filter glasses, so I will be doing a test at the end of the video to show you guys what I mean by that. But to get into it, I have 3 pair. I have 2 that are blue light filters, and then I have 1 that is a pair of sunglasses. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this video, and I will be showing you the 3 pair that I received. So starting off with this, the first pair, this is what the box comes in, and this is what it looks like. So it says ZQJ Eyewear. They have this cool little design on there. It looks like it could be like a city, and it also flips over, so that's really cute. But this is what they come in. So when you get the box, you're gonna slide this out, and oops, it's upside down. So when you get the box, you're gonna slide it out, and it says ZQJ Eyewear on there once again, and it comes like this. So you're gonna open up the little baggie. They just got their logo all over the place, honey. They want you to know, they want you to know where these glasses are from. And another nice thing, the blue light filter card, the blue light test card comes inside of the box as well. So they give you a reason to believe that they are 100% accurate. So this is what I'll be showing you at the end. We'll be testing it out on this area. So the glasses come in this cute little baggie. So this is also good if you are traveling a lot, you're on the go, you want to throw your sunglasses in your purse and make sure that they don't get scratched up. I prefer these baggies over the hard shells just because they're a little bit more flexible. So this is really nice. And then it comes in more packaging, girl. They make sure your glasses are together when you get them. So for the first pair, I have these turquoise, but you can see my vanity in them, but just ignore that. So this is what the first pair looks like. Super cute, really cute. So these glasses are extremely sturdy, so they're not flimsy at all. Good quality for the price when it comes to sturdiness. Most glasses that are pretty cheap or affordable are a little flimsy, they're a little thinner, and they kind of give you like a feel that they're gonna crack. But these also they're sturdy, but they have great flexibility as well. So when I put them on, super stylish. If you're concerned about the glare, then obviously, as you can see, mine kind of have a glare, so I'm not sure how you would feel about that. But as far as like, there you go, if I go to the side, you can't really see it too much. We love them, we love them. So this is what they look like on the sides. And although they're protecting you, they're very stylish as well. Like, girl, this is a look. This is a look. So I'm gonna take them off and show them to you one more time. So we have circular frames right here. Circular frames. Real thick on the sides. And then on the inside, it also comes with the ZQJ Eyewear logo. Super cute and stylish. So that is the first pair. Now for the second pair, same concept. You're just gonna slide this right on out. I don't want to break a nail, so I'm being gentle. Get this open. Same packaging as far as the travel bag, I like to call it. Protective carrier. And then same packaging. Okay, so these are actually the sunglasses. So I got them in black, and then kind of has like a purple see-through lens. They have cute little designs right here. Let me see if I can focus it. They have cute little designs on the side, the 3 dots that are on each side. So those are super cute. Same as the previous ones, they have this circular lens as well. When you turn them over to the back, this is what we're looking like. Oh girl, I'm ready to hit the road. I'm ready to hit the road. Yes, 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 yes. These are gonna be my new airport glasses. My new airport glasses. And you can still kind of see my eyes through them. So if you're that type of person who likes like completely jet black sunglasses, I don't know if I really recommend this to you because people can still see your eyes. I know sometimes people like you want to stare at somebody but you don't want them to know you're staring at you, but these are still giving a vibe. And these, once again, super strong, super sturdy. So even if you have like a wider face, I wouldn't be concerned with having to stretch them out. It just depends on how wide your face is because I don't see them going past it. So if you're trying to like separate them, then I'm not sure if these would be the glasses for you. But super cute and stylish. Let me give you a full 360. So those are for the sunglasses. Now for our last pair of glasses. These ones are going to be my favorite because they literally go with everything. Boom. Acrylic clear. I love these. These are my favorite. So these are the same as these ones, but they're just clear. So very versatile design. Same with their sturdiness. They stretch and they're sturdy, but I wouldn't say they stretch too far out. So depending on the width of your face. Girl, these are a vibe. I'm giving librarian. Am I giving sexy librarian? But yes. So these are, last but not least, the final pair. Okay, so I'm gonna put these ones on because these are my favorite. These are so, I actually think I like these ones a little bit more. It could be because of the hair color, but we're gonna put these ones on right now and we're actually going to do a light test. So when you receive your package, it's gonna have this card that I showed you earlier, and on the back it says how to use the blue light test card. Beam the white test area through the lens of the glasses under the sunshine. If the area under the lens doesn't turn blue, then it's anti-blue light lens. The test area will turn blue when you beam the area directly. So I'm going to take, I'm going to take my glasses, I'm going to put the card under it, and I'm going to go ahead and set it in the sun for a couple minutes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I have it right here. These sat outside in the sun for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, this was a little more purple, but it faded extremely fast. But as you can see right here, this is not purple at all. I don't know if you can see the difference in it. It's really hard to show, but there it is. All right, so that is all for this video. If you want to go ahead and get you a pair of ZQJ Eyewear, the information will be down in the description bar. If you have any questions, make sure you just leave a comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. Remember, they do sell on Amazon, so if you're Amazon Prime girl, you will get those glasses immediately. I hope you enjoyed this video. I also will have a 50% off coupon down below, so make sure you use that for your first purchase. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.